Hello wonderful people, welcome to Andre Craft Show. Today I will show you how to make these beautiful leaves here, which is very useful. Very simple and quick project, but very helpful to organize everything, especially your charger, wirings, and any other stuff. I'm just demonstrating on how this works, so it's just like this. If you like it, grab all the materials on your screen and let's crochet together. Since this is very small and very quick project, so I will be very fast. Just feel free to write down to those who prefer a written pattern. So to start off, slip knot and chain 10. Single crochet in the second stitch from your hook. In the next stitch, half double crochet, and then in the next 2 stitches, 2 double crochet. It will be a repeat pattern, so in the next stitch, do 1 treble crochet or triple crochet, and then after triple crochet, do 2 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, and then half double crochet, and then 1 single crochet. After you single crochet, chain 1 and again single crochet in the same stitch. So we will be repeating the pattern on this side. 1 half double crochet after you single crochet, and then 2 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, 1 treble crochet, and then again 2 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, 1 half double crochet, and then 1 single crochet, and then slip stitch. Again, those who prepare a written pattern, feel free to write down all the text that will pop out on your screen. If you want to adjust the speed of this video, you can adjust it on your screen. You can see a setting button. You can just click that one, normal to fast, and then there's also an option to slow it down. Now I'm going to slip stitch. After this, I will chain 1 and then another chain 10, so total of 11 chain. Now after you finish chaining, we will repeat all the patterns that we did for the first leaf. Once you finish this last single crochet, we're going to slip stitch and then again slip stitch in the middle or in the center of the leaf. And this is how you're gonna do it. Now that I'm finished, I'm going to chain, and this time it will be up to you on how much chain you want or how long you want your project to be. In this project, I made a total of 40 chains. Now I will do a slip stitch, but before that, I will skip 14 chains backwards, just like this. Again, it's all up to you also on how many chains you want to skip. Every different type of yarn has different result. Go on, slip stitch all the remaining chains, and then I'll meet you once you're done. Now I will do the ribbing in the other side of the leaf. I'm only using a slip stitch here, so don't be confused. After you finish the slip stitch, cut your yarn and secure your project. And that's pretty much it. If you like this video, I hope you give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and feel free to share this very quick and very cute project I did. It should look like this. This is how I do my waving part. Use your darning needle and hide all those extra yarn. Please don't forget to vlog your project. I use fabric glue mixed with the water to make it look stiff. And voila! Ta-da-dang! I hope you like this video, guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Feel free to share this video with your loved ones who are fun in crocheting. And that's it. I hope to see you guys next time. Bye-bye!